welcome all of you to Siena College of Taytay. Welcome to the Philippines for our delegates from the foreign countries. No? We are very happy to have you here in Siena College of Taytay, and for those who were here before, welcome back to Siena College. Okay, so good morning to everyone. Blessed be God forever.
Blessed be God forever.
We are here, we are the team from Siena College of Taytay, who will be sharing with you later what happened during our collaboration with Angat sa Buhay, Kabalikat sa Buhay, and Siena College of Taytay about the reading program, reading literacy program, which we had last year, where we have successfully graduated quite a number of students. Okay? So I hope that during our focus group discussion, we'll all be learning a lot as we embark on this journey together. Okay? So let us fill the world, as what Sister said here a while ago, let us fill the world with our good works. So again, welcome. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Lila, for your short opening message. And thank you for letting us have this service for today. As well as the partner organization, Kabalikat sa Buhay, Taytay Rizal. Let's give them a round of applause. And then our partner school from Felix Elementary School. We have here our principal and APP. And then we also have our parents and guardians of our beneficiaries. Let's acknowledge them. We give them a round of applause. And also the staff from Angat Buhay, who is here today. Our program manager, Mr. William Baricodera, program manager from Public Education, and Mr. Patrick Manuel, our monitoring and evaluation program manager. And especially, but not the least, let us acknowledge our youth volunteers here today from the ASEAN countries. And we also have our interns from Angat Buhay as well. So everyone, let's have
Hi, my name is Tipa Horn, but you can call me shortly by my nickname Noina. I'm from Laos here. Nice to meet you all. Thank you.
Hello, I came from Myanmar and my name is Saya, and everyone, nice to meet you.
Maayong buntag tanan. I am Clark Nases from the Philippines.
Good morning, Paul. My name is Nata Krita. You can call me as short as Spring from Thailand.
Hi everyone, my name is Liza and I'm from Brunei.
Magandang umaga. My name is Anissa. I'm from Indonesia. Nice to meet you.
Good morning. My name is Juri Kasha. You can just call me Juri. I'm from Malaysia.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Farhana and I'm from Singapore. Nice to meet you.
Hi po, my name is Summer. I'm from Vietnam. Nice to meet you all.
Good morning, Paul. I'm Joyota, or you can call me or Fiona. I'm from Cambodia.
thank you, our 10 ASEAN youth volunteers. They are here for their project implementation and project immersion. And to give more context and brief overview about the program for today and for the empowering youths across ASEAN, let us call Mr. William Baricodera, the Program Manager for Public Education.
Everyone, magandang umaga po sa ating pong mga kasama mula sa Siena College of Taytay. Maraming salamat po. Sobrang bigla ang ating mga volunteers sa welcome po natin ngayong umaga. At papunta pa lang kami, ini-expect na namin yun dahil sa paulit-ulit namin pagpunta dito sa Siena, alam namin how cooperative and at the same time, how generous Siena is sa pagbibigay ng oras para po sa ating mga komunidad. So maraming salamat po. Gayun din po, we would like to thank Kabalikat sa Buhay, Angat Buhay Lahat, Angat Buhay Lahat for all the support to the Bayan Ko Teacher Ko program, from mobilizing volunteers up to mobilizing resources. They are really hands-on in the implementation of the Bayan Ko Teacher Ko program here in Taytay Rizal. But most importantly, we would like to thank our parents, our guardians who are present here this morning. No? Kung wala po yung tulong po ninyo, kung hindi niyo po hinayaan na mabuksan po, hindi niyo po binuksan yung inyong mga puso sa aming mga tulong na ibinibigay para po doon sa ating mga anak, sa ating mga apo, hindi rin naman po ito magiging matagumpay. No? Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa ating programa. Now, for our youth volunteers, just to give you a context, Taytay Rizal is one of the first areas that implemented the Bayan Ko Teacher Ko program. Aside from Naga City, when the program is being rolled out as the main remedial intervention program of Angat Buhay, Taytay Rizal, with the help of Kabalikat sa Buhay and Siena College Taytay, were the ones that really wanted to start the program as soon as possible. So we had our training of trainers, the one we had last Friday and Saturday. We had the training of trainers right here in this very room with Pasig City, the one that we will visit this afternoon, and Muntinlupa City. So there are 3 areas that converged here for the implementation, for the pilot implementation of the Bayan Ko Teacher Ko program. Then, the Bayan Ko Teacher Ko program successfully ended last June. And we were able to reach around 30 students from Felix M. San Victores Elementary School and Dolores Elementary School, both situated here in Taytay Rizal. So what we will be doing now is actually a manifestation of the collective impact framework that we have been talking about when we were starting our cohort, when we were starting our fellowship. Para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang lagi natin sinasabi sa mga youth volunteers ay yung collective impact framework. Na sinasabi natin na as much as possible, we would like to onboard as many stakeholders who have the same goals, who have the same agenda for us to reach a certain outcome. And that is what we have here now. We have HTIs on the work. We have Siena College of Taytay bringing tutors to the community. We have the local implementing partner, Kabalikat sa Buhay, managing the program. And we have the parents who are supporting the program by generously giving the time to assist their learners, to assist their children, to ensure that we get the outcomes that we really need. So that's how the collective impact framework works. Okay? So without the help of each sector, without the help of each segment of the collective impact framework, I'm very certain that the program is bound to fail. But with the cooperation of all the stakeholders here, with what we say bayanihan in the Philippines, because of our bayanihan, we're able to reach 30 students. And when we say 30 learners or 30 students, we're not just talking about 30 students. We're talking about 30 families whose lives are changed forever because their child was able to read. We start from reading, then we start changing the world. So again, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. And you volunteers, I hope you'll enjoy your stay here in Siena College of Taytay. Maraming salamat.
Our program manager for public education for that encouraging message and for giving context for today's session. And as we move forward, we will call on stage Mr. Patrick Manuel, our monitoring and evaluation manager, to give additional context and brief information for today's focus group discussion.
Thank you so much, Elijah, and thank you, Barry. Good morning, everyone. I am Patrick. I am the Monitoring, Evaluation, Learning, and Impact Manager at Amat. First of all, thank you so much po to Siena Colleges for again opening your doors to Amat Buhay, and of course to our implementing or Tikabet, Kabalikan sa Buhay. Of course, our partner public school and the guardians that are present here this morning. Magandang umaga po. So sa Amat Buhay po, Barry can attest to this that every time we have a meeting with our chairperson and president, Attorney Lenny Robredo, ang big word po ng meeting namin ay ano yung outcomes ng program natin. How are we in terms of data gathering? How are we in terms of program designing? How are we in terms of iteration? So in Amat Buhay, as I mentioned to our youth volunteers earlier when we did an orientation, we really value the input of our stakeholders, of our partners. As what Sir Barry mentioned earlier, Amat Buhay's programs operate in the collective impact framework. So it's not just the NGO alone, but also with the partner higher educational institution, partner organization, partner public school, including the parents and guardians. So this morning po, we will be grouping you depending on your sector. So we have the partner HEI, Siena College. May I know po ilan yung parents or guardians po na available natin na nag-attend this morning? Ilan po ang guardians? So we have 1, 2, we have 3. And then of course we have our partner or Kabalikan sa Buhay. Ilan po yung nandito sa atin? Yeah, so we have I think more than 5. And from our partner public school, we have 2. Right? So we will be dividing you into 4 groups with our youth volunteers from the ASEAN, which I already oriented earlier, and they will be conducting a focus group discussion. So they will be running you through our FGD consent. They will be discussing the objectives of the FGD. But i-preempt ko na din po, this FGD is our tool for Amat Buhay to get your inputs or your insights as our partners in terms of reviewing the program design of Bayan Ko Teacher Ko. How can we improve? What should we continue doing? What should we work on? And then how can we better scale up or replicate this model to other areas? So we are doing this FGD in Taytay because when Barry and Attorney Lenny were talking about the outcomes, isa po si Taytay sa may pinakamagandang performance during the run of the BKTK together with Nagas. And we want to get the best practices of this specific area kasi baka we are overlooking something when we implemented this in other areas. And as we gear up for another batch of rollout in different areas, we want to replicate what we did in Taytay, backed up by the very commendable results during the first run of BKTK, which Barry will be discussing further. But on my end po, as the MELI manager, we not only monitor and evaluate, we also make sure to learn what are the best practices of our programs that we can replicate during its replication in other areas. And not only learn, but also help the program manager in scaling up these models that were proven. Ang term ni ma'am, proof of concept na yan. Kailangan na lang natin, kumbaga sa Xerox machine, i-copy na lang ng i-copy sa different areas at dalhin sa iba't ibang mga lugar. So, hopefully po, please feel free to share the stories of impact, stories of inspiration on how this program affected the community to our youth volunteers, and then we'll be processing the qualitative information later. And then rest assured, through Barry, we'll also provide you the results of the FGD. So please, be transparent as much as possible. This is a safe space. Tayo-tayo lang naman po ito. And ang magbe-benefit naman po ang pinaka-magbe-benefit sa ating FGD today is yung mga future areas naman po na matutulungan natin through the BKTK program. And of course, Taytay ulit when we roll out or when we rerun the program here in your area. In your area, Blackpink pala. Anyway, thank you so much po ulit. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to approach me or any of the Angat Buhay staff. And we look forward to harvesting and capturing different stories from your respective groups and areas. Maraming salamat po. Now we'll be transitioning to the FGD. So you will be divided into 4 groups through the help of our interns. So for the volunteer tutors, please raise your hands po from Siena College. Ayan, maraming salamat po. The one who will be facilitating your FGD would be Zayar. Where is Zayar? Fiona. And Priya. So you may refer to the cheat sheet for the volunteer tutors. Okay? So, our interns will be guiding you na lang po on where you will conduct your FGD. I think since bigger group naman yung mga tutors, dito na lang sila. Next po, we have the implementing org, Kabalikan sa Buhay. Ayan. So, your FGD will be facilitated by Noina. Did I pronounce it right? Okay. Dure, and Clark. Ayan. So, ano na lang, Clark? Let's assist them there. For the parents and guardians, so we have Liza and Thor. And then for the partner public school, Farhana and Summer. So Farhana and Summer, you can use na lang the impact, the story in terms of gathering stories. The cheat sheet on gathering stories. Okay? So maraming salamat po. Very helpful po ito sa amin to really assess and to measure if we are creating impact talaga in our communities. And hopefully you can share us the stories of how BKTK impacted the lives of the 30 students that we are talking about earlier. Maraming salamat po, and let's enjoy the rest of the focus group discussion.
So when she entered politics, we all decided to go into politics.